Next topic, method of preparation of haloalkane. First method from alkanes. When alkanes is react with alkyl halide, when methane like as alkane, when methane is react with chlorine, chlorine is a halogen, in the presence of sunlight, then methyl chloride, alkyl halide methyl chloride is obtained. But this important, this point, but it is not an appropriate method to obtain pure alkyl halide, because a mixture of mono, di, tri, tetra halogen derivatives are obtained from this equation. Then this method is more useful for industrial purpose. These halogen derivatives separation by fractional distillation, important point, fractional distillation separation, like as mono, di, tri, tetra etc. product will be obtained. Then separation is fractional distillation. Methane is react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, as nu means sunlight. Then methyl chloride, alkyl halide is obtained. Second method is by addition of hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide means HX. When addition of HX on alkenes, alkenes means unsymmetric hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbons. When alkenes is symmetric, then addition of HBr according to U. Like as symmetric, what is mean by first word symmetric? When double bond, both side number of alkyl group is same, then known as symmetric. Like as but to butene, both side two alkyl group, then double bond both side two alkyl group, then this alkene is symmetric. Symmetric alkene addition of HBr, then 2-bromobutane is obtained. But important next point of this reaction, but addition of HX on unsymmetric alkenes. What is mean by unsymmetric alkene? When double bond, both side alkyl group are present different. Here one alkyl group, one carbon, and here two carbon, then known as unsymmetric. Unsymmetric alkene, the addition according to Markovnikov's rule. What is the Markovnikov's rule? According to this rule, according to Markovnikov's rule, during the addition across unsymmetrical double bond, the negative part of the attacking reagent attached itself to the carbon atom, carrying less number of hydrogen atom. Means addition of HX means halogen is more electronegative than having negative charge, and hydrogen is less electronegative than having positive charge. According to Markovnikov's rule, negative species addition of HX, negative species unsymmetric alkene, addition of unsymmetric alkene, then less number of carbon, less number of hydrogen. Here two carbon, here two hydrogen and one hydrogen, then number of less hydrogen is here carbon, then negative attack on this, and hydrogen is attached, alkene carbon is more hydrogen present. For example, prop 1 in, prop 1 in. This is unsymmetric hydrocarbon because both side, double bond both side, number of alkyl group is different. Then two product is possible, but main product is this because addition of HBr plus HBr plus HBr. Br negative part, addition of less hydrogen containing carbon and hydrogen attached on more, then this product is a major product and this product is a minor product, and this major product is according to Markovnikov's rule. Order of reactivity of this reaction: HI more reactive after HBr after HCl. This reactivity is dependent on bond length. We know in a group, halogen group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and at least iodine, move top to bottom, the bond length, the size of atom is increases due to increasing of shielding effect. Then bond length HI is greater than HBr and HCl. Then HI is more reactive compared to HBr. HBr is more reactive compared to HCl. Then reactivity order is this. Next, in this point, in the presence of peroxide, this reaction is completed in presence of peroxide. Then HBr addition according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. This rule is also known as peroxide and this is also known as Kranz effect. This addition HBr on unsymmetric alkene but presence in peroxide, then addition of anti-Markovnikov's, then 1-bromopropane is major product according to this reaction. Third reaction, preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Third method is from alcohol. From alcohol, first by the reaction of alcohol and halogen acid like as HX and alcohol ROH. When alcohol is react with halogen acid, like as hydrochloric acid, in presence of ZnCl2 and anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrate H2SO4, then alkyl halide is formed. This reaction is completed in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrate H2SO4 respectively, because they absorb the water from during this reaction. This water is absorbed by concentrate H2SO4 and anhydrous ZnCl2. Reactivity of this reaction also above HI, HBr, HCl due to depend on bond length. Alcohol reactivity order: tertiary alcohol, secondary and primary, because tertiary alcohol is converted into tertiary carbocation, and we know tertiary carbocation is more stable and more reactive. Then reactivity order of alcohol: tertiary alcohol more stable, after secondary, after primary. The reactivity of alcohol is tertiary, secondary and primary. Second, from alcohol by the action of thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride general formula is SOCl2. Thionyl chloride on alcohol. This reaction is also known as Darjan reaction. Important of this reaction. Due to following reasons of this reaction is very important. When alcohol is react with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride formula SOCl2 in presence of pyridine, then main product of alkyl halide is obtained in aqueous or liquid form, but subproduct sulfur dioxide and HCl hydrochloric acid in a gaseous form then easily escape, then pure product alkyl halide is obtained. Then this method is best method of preparation of alkyl halide. This method is best method for preparation of alkyl halide because subproduct form in vapor phase then easily escape and pure alkyl halide is obtained. In this pyridine used absorb HCl absorbed by pyridine. Important next point in this next sub point in this point, RBr alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide cannot be prepared by this method because thionyl bromide SOBr2 is unstable and thionyl iodide is unknown. Due to this reason, then not prepared by alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide by this method. Third subpoint of this reaction, by the action of phosphorus halide, phosphorus two type halide, trihalide form trihalide and pentahalide. When alcohol is react with phosphorus pentahalide, phosphorus pentachloride in presence of heat, then alkyl chloride is obtained. Subproduct is POCl3 and HCl. And when trihalide PCl3, then 3 moles of alcohol, then alkyl halide is obtained. When alcohol is react with PCl3 and PCl5, then alkyl halide is obtained. Next subpoint of this point, for the preparation of alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide, then used PBr3 when alkyl bromide, Pi3 then alkyl iodide is obtained. Other reaction of this, when alcohol is react with red phosphorus is react with halogen in presence of red phosphorus, then also alkyl halide is obtained. Next preparation method of alkyl halide is fourth. This reaction is following. Next preparation method alkyl halide is from halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method is also known as Finkelstein reaction. In a normal word, Finkelstein is a NAI. What is NAI? NAI, sodium iodide. When alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide RCl and RBr is a react with NAI, sodium iodide, in the presence of acetone or methanol. In the presence of acetone and methanol, this react then form alkyl iodide. This reaction is also known as Finkelstein reaction. For example, alkyl chloride, ethyl chloride is react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone or methanol, then ethyl iodide is obtained. Second, when alkyl bromide is react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, then alkyl ethyl iodide is also obtained. Next halogen exchange, next method Schwarz reaction. In this preparation method only one reactions to form alkyl fluoride. When alkyl iodide, ethyl iodide is react with metallic fluoride like as AgF, silver fluoride, then alkyl fluoride is obtained, ethyl fluoride is obtained. Next preparation method from Huntsdiker reaction. Silver salt of monocarboxylic acid. Silver salt of monocarboxylic acid. General formula CH3COAg is react with Br2 bromine in presence of CCl4 solution. Then methyl bromide, alkyl bromide is obtained and CO2 will be released. Then also known as decarboxylation or decarboxylative bromination. Next, preparation method from primary amines. When primary amine like as ethanamine is react with nitrosyl chloride. Nitrosyl chloride general formula NOCl. It is also known as Tilden reagent. Nitrosyl chloride also known as Tilden reagent. Then alkyl chloride is obtained. Primary amine nitrosyl chloride, then ethyl chloride is obtained. This is total 6 preparation method of alkyl halide. Next preparation method is complete. Next point, physical properties of alkyl halide. Following physical properties are: first, physical properties. Pure alkyl halide are colorless, but in presence of sunlight, iodide and bromide and iodide develop yellow color, but in pure state always colorless. Second, alkyl halide is insoluble in water because due to not form hydrogen bond with H2O, but soluble in alcohol, ether and benzene. Next, physical properties. Lower member of alkyl halide like as methyl chloride, methyl bromide and ethyl chloride are gases, while methyl iodide and other alkyl halide are liquid or solid due to increasing of molecular weight. Then phase will be changed. Low molecular weight like as gases, higher liquid and solid. Alkyl halide burns with green flame on igniting. When burns alkyl halide to give green flame. Next, fourth physical properties. Alkyl halide polar in nature, then boiling point is higher to hydrocarbon because the bond will be strong due to presence of polar nature. Then bond will be break, then energy is high. Then boiling point of alkyl halide is higher to hydrocarbon of comparable molecular mass. As the molecular weight increases, boiling point also increases. If alkyl group same, then order of boiling point will be as follows: lowest alkyl fluoride and highest alkyl iodide, because iodide molecular weight is highest, molecular mass is highest. Then boiling point of methyl iodide is higher compared to bromide, chloride and fluoride. Next important point, the boiling point of isomeric alkyl halide decreases with increasing in branching. For isomeric, C4H9Cl. Butane chloride. First, tertiary butyl chloride, second isomer isobutyl chloride and third N-butyl chloride. In this branching, two branching, in this structure one branching but not branching in this structure. Then highest boiling point this structure. Branching increases, then decreasing surface area, then also in decrease boiling point. Next, alkyl iodide are most reactive due to Bl bond length. Reactive among alkyl halides. They decompose in the presence of sunlight HNO and release iodine. Important. Alkyl iodide in presence of sunlight then give iodine. Physical properties of alkyl halide will be complete. Next, chemical properties Cp. Chemical properties of alkyl halides are following types. 4 types. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second, elimination reaction. Third, reaction with metal. And fourth chemical property is a reduction reaction. First, nucleophilic substitution reactions are 2 types. First, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction represented by SN1, and second is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction represented by SN2. Here SN1 means unimolecular and nucleophilic as substitution reaction. Here 2 means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, chemical properties are studied detail. First, nucleophilic substitution reactions.